What's one thing nice you can say about it? Got lots of letters. What else?
X is simple.
X is simple. Yeah, it's not like mutated in any way. Here's another nice thing about it. There are only a limited number of choices you can make for u and v prime, right? It's not like there's like 9 ways to break this one up. It looks long, but arctan, can you break that apart? No, arctan's a word. It's tan inverse. I just don't like writing arctan, but that's just me. So, anybody have a good thing we should try? Anybody have one we should try? So we need to pick a u, and we need to pick a v prime. How about we do u is equal to tan inverse of x squared? How's that work? So what's u prime going to be? So it's going to be 1 over 1 plus x squared times what? Times what? 2x. You have to use the chain rule. And then what's v prime going to be? X dx. And if we do x dx, what's v going to be? Come on. 1/2 x squared. Great. So let's just see if this actually let's see if this gets us to some place that's actually helpful. Okay, we spent 15 seconds so far. Let's see if it actually gets somewhere helpful. So it's u times v. So what's that going to be? 1/2 x squared tan inverse. Do we really care if this part is ugly? No. Why don't we care if that part's ugly? Yeah, it's just there. We're not integrating it, right? And what are we subtracting? U prime v. So what is it? It's 2x over 1 plus x to the times what? 1 times x squared. Is that correct? Dx. Thank you. Yep. Is that correct? You guys are my spot checkers here. I really want to make sure we don't crash and burn on this. So can we simplify this a little bit? Yeah, what happens to those 2's? They go away, right? Anything else cancel? Not really. There's no x's that you want to. You really want it to. You really, at this point, you're like, I want x's to go away and be left with the number 5. Unfortunately, no. So, nice. Thank you. But what? Hold on. Did I simplify properly? Just tell me if I simplified it properly. Yes. Did I simplify properly? I did. I think so. Now, at this point, what do you see? What do you see right now?
You can use u substitution.
You can use u substitution. You can just use plain old u substitution. Why? What's the trigger, Nate, that tells you can use u substitution?
The 4 is going to go down to 3.
Yeah, you see that the difference in powers is 1. You see that the difference in powers is 1. So what is u? Let's say u in this case is going to be 1 plus x to the 4th. What's du going to be? 4x cubed dx. So what does dx equal? 1 over 4x cubed. So now what do? We substitute because we just did the u, so we're going to substitute. So the integral of x cubed over what? U. But instead of dx, what do we write? 1 over 4x cubed du. Thank you. Does the magic happen right now? Oh, look, now the x's go away. We have minus 1/4 1 over u du. What's the integral of that? So it's going to be negative 1 over 4 ln of u. But what? Plus c. Absolute value. Yep. What does u equal? Go back up here. What does u equal? 1 plus x to the 4th. So what do we end up with? Negative 1/4 ln of. Absolutely, you like the absolute value? Yep. Why can it be? Or 0, and then you have the plus, yeah. It's fine. No, it's fine. It's fine. You're correct. So look, hey, look, we just totally got rid of that one. What do we have left? What do we have to carry down here? Oh, look, all the stuff at the beginning. We carried on all the stuff at the beginning. Boom, plus c. How do we feel about this?